Export HTML table to Excel JavaScript series. In code I have already HTML with some elements and one button. Let's see. Now I'm going to open app.js. Here I first of all declare let table data equal to get element id table. Here is let export function equal to function first parameter that, second parameter is data table that is referred to this, and here we mention table data. After that, let table data HTML equal to table data outer HTML. Let URL, here I write some string data application which supported HTML code as a Excel, then concatenate with escape data HTML. After that, set attribute ref, URL data will pass as the attribute, then set attribute download with export.xls, then return false. Save this file. Let's click on Excel. We can check now. Here is Excel. I hope you like this video. Until next video, goodbye.